What's up, friends, family, and fellow filmmakers? It is Monday, so that means we are back with another Motion Picture Monday. As promised, I got a new backdrop. This backdrop might be a little too yellow, but it's not about me in this video. I have a special guest. This guy's a writer-director that used to intern for us. I give you...
Hey, my name's Oskar. I'm the writer-director of Be My Baby. If you haven't seen the short film, click the link above or in the description below to check it out, and then come back and watch this video. All right, welcome back. So what I want to talk about is a scene that's actually not in the video at all. This is it.
Today was a big day for me. The first day of 4th grade. It may not sound like... Wait, before I get into it, can I show you my stuff? Okay, where were we?
So this scene was intended to go right after the walk and talk. So we'd start at the school, cut back to him in his bedroom, and then back to the school. But in the end, it just made more sense to get rid of that whole montage and just keep it at the school the entire time. But when we shot that opening montage, we were shooting night per day. Just the way the scheduling worked out, we had to shoot at night, and I didn't like the way it looked, and we just didn't have a lot of time, so I wasn't able to spend a lot of time getting all the inserts. When we went to edit, the editor, Tyler McIntyre, decided to just cut that whole sequence out. I actually liked how the film looked without it, but at the same time, I felt like I didn't end up with the exact movie that I wrote, and I really wanted to see everything I wrote on the screen. So I started thinking about reshooting that whole opening montage. So I talked to Tom and Tyler, and they both said that I probably shouldn't reshoot that opening montage because it's not essential to the film. You understand that an 11-year-old boy is going to be into Star Wars and superheroes and stuff like that, and so they were like, don't spend the money, don't spend the time, the film doesn't need it, it's just unnecessary. At the same time, I had a friend and my dad telling me like, no, you need to make the movie that you wrote. This is your movie. So I decided to instead just raise the money, and we reshot that entire montage. We rented a crane and we drove back down to San Diego to my parents' house. We reshot the entire montage. I think the montage looks okay, but when we cut it in the film, just as Tyler and Tom said, it was unnecessary. And it completely slowed down the momentum of the movie. In the end, it ended up being cut out, which sucked because we spent a lot of money on it and a lot of time, and I probably could have released the film sooner, etc. So even though in the end it was a waste of time to reshoot it and re-edit the movie, I don't regret it because the lesson was, like, filmmaking is a collaborative process and you should listen to the advice and the feedback of your friends, you know? And make the movie you want to make, but really consider the words of other people before you make a big move.
Well, that was very insightful. I think there's a lot to learn from other filmmakers' process and their mistakes. I know when Oskar shot his film, he was so determined to get this bedroom scene in the film. He wanted this overhead shot on the bed. He wanted all these details of the toys. And as producers of the film, Jazz and I, we supported him in it. We helped him shoot it. We knew that it didn't necessarily need to be in the story, but Oskar's stubborn and we helped him make it happen. Ultimately, he kept it out of the film. Again, if you haven't seen it, please click the link up above, check the description to watch Be My Baby, because it's a great short film and there's a lot of valuable lessons to be learned from seeing Oskar's experience making it. So if you like what we're doing over here at Tomkat, be sure to slap that subscribe button, leave any comments below about filmmaking tips you want to learn, and we'll see you in the next video.